Kahoot has been a really great tool that I've been using. I find that students are very engaged. It takes the monotony out of me just lecturing for an hour or two.
They learn more when we do it in a fun way, in a gamified way, and they retain the information better. When it comes to natural assessment, they recall the slide from Kahoot and the atmosphere that they had, and then they're able to answer the questions with that.
I have a gamification strategy throughout the semester for every one of my classes, and there is always 2 or 3 instances in which I use Kahoot.
I mean, without Kahoot, I can imagine it'd kind of be boring, you know. It's just sometimes you do you nod off a little, but with these fun games, even the pictures and the colorful designs of it, it just kind of pushes us to do better, you know.
Kahoot is really useful because there are so many different Kahoots for every topic. The students are having a lot of fun answering questions. It's competitive. It's a fun environment.
So now the students are actually requesting Kahoots as a study guide. So I may get a text or email on a Friday night. Hey, prof, can you please create a Kahoot? I'll create the Kahoot and then I'll assign it to them and put it into their Canvas.
I usually use Kahoot as a recall every time we get back into class. They love the feeling, the fun in the classroom, and the way that the questions are posted, the points and the podium.
I use Kahoot in my class to help students activate prior knowledge as well as to review. It really helped them to understand how to formulate ideas, but more importantly, how to focus on the most important things.
Kahoot is a perfect match for my teaching style. I am big on gamification, and I believe that through games, a lot can be achieved, especially motivation and engagement.
So for my team, I always like to start with something fun, but at the same time, something that's educational for the team. And immediately for me, that was Kahoot. You know, it's not only the students that enjoy the technology and the games and the learning, it's also our staff members. So I really like to kind of do some icebreakers. I usually use, Kahoot for all of our leadership meetings. It did change the culture a little bit at MDC Online. You know, now it's a little bit competitive, but in a good way. For our team members, they're looking forward to it, and it's a great way to start each meeting. It really gets people actively involved, and as you've seen, it can be students, it can be faculty, it can be staff, and it's done in a fun, productive, and informative way.
It doesn't matter if you teach EAP like me, or you're teaching biology, or you're teaching 5th year, 4th year anatomy. Kahoot works for every single subject.
I feel like it's a great way to study, especially before an exam. It makes you think quicker.
Everyone's like always having fun in a game, and it's a lot less pressure. Like when I feel relaxed, I learn more, so it just really helps out like that.
I like that. I agree.